Bless you. Bless you.
That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. That's beautiful, baby. No, we're not gonna chew on that. Yeah, I kissed you.
No, it's too. It's too tight.
Too tight? Should be over here. At your feet. Got it?
There we go. Hey, beautiful. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What? Yeah, you see the camera, you're gonna be Daddy's gonna drive you nuts with it.
She knows your voice better than she knows mine. Because when you used to talk to her in my tummy, and I don't talk to her as much as you do. If you watch her, she follows you.
What? What are you doing? Huh? What's mommy doing? She's playing with your feet again. Yeah.
She's cute. Are you pooping?
No.
You're gonna be so spoiled. Oh yeah. And she's so good, she doesn't mind cry. As long as her music's on. Before, when we turn off her music or something, she'd go batty. She wasn't happy about it.
Yeah.